13 years ago, the infamous Super Tuesday tornado outbreak ravaged Middle Tennessee. The worst tragedy occurred in Sumner, Macon, and Trousdale counties, where 24 people lost their lives. News 2 meteorologist Davis Nolan talked to the Macon County Sheriff, Mark Gammons, about that fateful night.
I remember picking up a phone call that night and stating that my family, they said their family was gone, their house was gone. And then from that point on, I left. And I remember getting to the golf course area, neighborhood out there, and I can remember it just looking like a war zone, and people screaming, power lines down, houses gone that you knew were there, and now they're gone.
Now, before the tornado hit, people were reporting fires all over the county. What they were actually seeing was the Columbia Gulf Company's gas compressor station to their southwest in Hartsville in flames after being struck by the tornado. Sheriff Gammon said that might have helped alert people.
It was unfortunate that Columbia Gulf was hit, but I don't know if this storm had been 30 minutes later and Columbia Gulf hadn't got hit with that glow and waking people up. You know, the news was talking about it, but if this had been at 11:30, how much more of a tragedy we could have.
In all, 24 people died, 22 during the tornado and 2 more afterwards, one from a heart attack and another from carbon monoxide poisoning the next day. All are memorialized by this monument on the Lafayette Town Square. But Sheriff Gammons says this tragedy brought everyone together.
Maybe I'm a little biased, but this county here comes together on tragedies, any type of tragedies. That way they may fight one another, but when something like this happens, we all come together.
I'm meteorologist Davis Nolan, News 2.